Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tech Jake back again, and if you're looking for a premium laser projector built for serious professional performance, then you're definitely going to want to check this out. This is the LG PROBEAM BU60RG 4K UHD laser projector, a powerful 6000 ANSI lumen beast made for those high-demand environments like boardrooms, lecture halls, and digital signage systems. Oh, and if you're thinking about getting one, there's a limited time discount. Just check the link in the description below. Let's talk performance. The BU60RG delivers true 4K Ultra HD resolution that's sharp, lifelike detail across the board. Whether it's architectural renderings, medical imaging, or immersive simulations, this thing brings the visuals to life. With 6000 ANSI lumens, it holds up even in bright rooms and open spaces. So if you're running signage during the day, no problem. Your visuals stay vibrant, readable, and color accurate. And because this projector is laser powered, you get instant on-off, consistent brightness, and up to 20,000 hours of operation, no lamps to swap, and no filters to worry about. Plus, it's designed to run 24/7, with dust-resistant internals built for business. The BU60RG gives you vertical and horizontal lens shift, plus 1.6x optical zoom. So mounting and placement? Totally flexible. Whether you're going short distance, long distance, or dealing with tricky angles, you're covered. It's also rocking webOS signage 6.0, which gives you built-in media playback, remote content scheduling, and real-time monitoring over Wi-Fi or LAN. And yeah, it works with select third-party apps to make your workflow even smoother. In terms of I/O, this thing is stacked. You've got HDMI 2.0 for 4K input, DisplayPort, USB-A for plug-and-play media, RS-232 and LAN, RJ45, for automation and control. Audio in/out for flexible audio setups. No matter what gear you're hooking up, digital signage players, AV switchers, even control systems, it's ready. So whether you're setting up a high-impact conference room, running digital signage across a campus, or diving into simulation and medical imaging, the PROBEAM BU60RG is built to keep up. Here's the TLDR. True 4K resolution. 6000 lumens brightness. Laser powered with 20,000 hours lifespan. Smart webOS with content scheduling and diagnostics. Full connectivity suite. Dust resistant, filter free, 24/7 ready design. It checks all the boxes. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you're ready to level up your projection setup, hit that link in the description to grab the PROBEAM BU60RG at a limited discount price. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop. More awesome tech content coming your way right hey race. Catch you in the next one.